What's up, members? Take a look at Meta stock. We were talking about this on the swing trade idea. It's getting very juicy. Take a look at what I am seeing on the 6-month chart. You can see that we have this potential support lining up at $600 per share. Watch what I'm showing you. And this is a trade that I might be entering soon. Even if I go back even further, you can see there is a little bit of support that was lining up right here. I am going to be watching Meta this week. Let's see if we get a retest a little bit lower from the 605. I want to see if we come down to about 595. 595. That'll be my entry. I'm going to be picky with this because I don't like how the market's been so bullish lately. I want to see if we get further drawdown on Meta. So I'm going to be looking for this pullback to around 600 to 595. I'll probably be entering around there, looking for that push back up. This is a big steep drop for Meta. It's not unusual, but it does happen. 640 all the way down. It's already down 5%. I want to see another 1 to 2% pullback here. It's what I'm watching right now on Meta.